Hi to everybody. Today we are going to observe a web page which comprises of various types of schemes introduced by the National Trust. National Trust for the welfare of persons with autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardation and multiple disabilities. So, National Trust works for the welfare of four category of persons with disability. Under the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disability comes under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Look at the home page, which contains various types of schemes for the welfare of four categories of persons with disabilities. Amongst one is Niramaya. Niramaya is a scheme meant for the welfare of four categories of Divyangjan. It is mainly focused on the health of persons with disability. Niramaya is a health insurance scheme. Let us see what are the components in Niramaya. Here you can observe about the scheme. It is an affordable health insurance to persons with disabilities, and second one is health insurance cover up to 1 lakh, and facility for OPD, outpatient treatment also it included for pathology, medicine and tests, and regular medical checkups also. So it covers lot of items, and it also covers transportation charges. No pre-insurance medical tests required. The scheme will be available in the entire country. And let us see about the scheme description. Have a single premium across the age band. There is no need to pay premium every year. Once single premium is enough to cover the insurance up to 1 lakh on reimbursement basis. For that purpose, all persons with disabilities under the National Trust Act with a valid disability certificate are eligible and included. No pre-insurance medical tests are required. Treatment can be taken from any kind of hospital. And look at the tabular form which covers 1 lakh insurance. This tabular form contains sections, and each section divided into subsection, and overall allotment is also given. For first section 55,000 limit is given, for second section 19,000, and for third section 20,000, and fourth section 4,000, and fifth section which contains transportation costs at about 2,000. So overall limit of the coverable coverage for a person is rupees 1 lakh. Let us see how to apply for this insurance, that is called Niramaya Health Insurance. Look at the first type, enrollment under Niramaya scheme is an online procedure which can be done by registered organizations only, what we call them as ROs. With the help of people in registered organizations, one can enroll for Niramaya Health Scheme. In second tile, you can observe a renewal form can be filled by parent or guardian through online also, through registered organization. And the third tile says renewal form link for parent and guardian. And next tile is eligibility criteria, and the very next is enrollment process. There are so many tiles appears under Niramaya Health Scheme. Look at the enrollment process. All the applications available in download section. Just I made a click on download section. You can observe download enrollment form, download renewal application form, download claim form, and Raksha TPA Private Limited center list. First of all, one have to apply for enrollment. I downloaded the enrollment form. It is a model form which appears on online. Niramaya application form for enrollment of PwD for 4 categories of PwD. Name of the referring RO, from which registered organization enrollment is going on. Second one, the National Trust registration number. Every registered organization is given a number by National Trust that have to mentioned in second one. Third one is name of PwD, person with disability. And fourth one is address of PwD, and we have to give house number, street name, landmark, district and state along with pin code. Fifth one is contact number of PwD, especially mobile number have to provided here. Sixth one is father's or husband name. If the PwD is a married one, or one has to give husband name also. And seventh one is date of birth. In the 3 boxes we have to mention date, month and year. Eighth one is gender, male or female. We have to put a right mark which applicables. Marital status, single, married, other. 10th one is name of the legal guardian and relationship with PwD. 11th one, mobile number of legal guardian. 14th one, disability. Look at the disability section. They given 4 types of disabilities: autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardation and multiple disability. 4 types of disabilities are given, and the person who applies for Niramaya Health Insurance have to put a tick mark which applicables to him. And in 13th column, income is given. If a person is in below poverty line or above poverty line, which applicables, one has to put a tick mark. Details of nominee, and their details have to provided here. 15th one is bank details of PwD. In this section, one have to give his account number, bank account number along with account holder name, bank name, branch, city and state. One has to give IFSC code also. And for 16th one, renewal fee payment details. One have to give payment details in this section. In 17th section, disability certificate, BPL card, address proof and income certificate, and one has to supply with all these certificates to apply for the enrollment Niramaya Health Scheme, and they have to give their signatures along with address also. We can observe what are the registered organizations